Hello guys, it's Richie Stanaji. I'm feeling super amazing to have such an amazing soul like you here today. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make $5 to $1K every month by selling graphic designs online, right? And the amazing thing about this is that you don't have to have any prior design knowledge to achieve this. So in this video I'm going to be showing you through the step-by-step process of how to achieve this. But before I go into making some money online, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, come on, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscription button right now so that whenever I drop awesome videos like the one you're about to watch, you'll be the first to watch and make more informed decisions that will help you towards your financial freedom. So now that I've done that, come on, let's go on some money.
Okay guys, so to start making money selling graphic designs online, it's really easy. Right now you need just 2 sites to achieve this. The first site is to go there and start signing this graphic design with the website called canva.com, right? It's free, understand? And the amazing thing about this website is that you don't have to have any graphical design skills to, create amazing designs on the go. Like say if a customer wants like logo design, all you just have to go do is just go to the template, right? Just search for logo, hit enter, and now there are billions of designs, customizable designs that you can just pick for and you create. Then for us to sell this design, you need another website, right? Now you have to go to fiverr.com. So fiverr.com is a freelancing website where creatives like you sell their designs. So every minute, right now, over 200 gigs are being ordered. So I'm going to leave a link in the description section that is going to teach you how to set up your Fiverr account and customize your Fiverr account for better conversion, right? So basically that's just how that's just what we are going to be doing in this video. If somebody like wants, for example, this is Fiverr, so you are going to sign in with your account. Now you see here's website design, WordPress and logo design. So here we're going to tap logo, right? So you just click on logo design here. Now while it opens, now you see minimalistic design, 3D design, cartoon designs, signature, hand-drawn, vintage designs, and lots more, right? So we go down here. These are like logo design. So this one, now you see I will design a 3 model minimalistic logo design for $10 here. So you see the thing is that people, like you see, like the listing that people do here. Now okay, like this person, I will create an immaculate logo for let me sign. So for $995. So this kind of stuff, and these are the things you can just do on the go, right? So I'm going to be teaching you how to do all that, right? So for this one now, he will design, he is going to design a creative logo for $25, and this is just the starting price for most of these guys, right? So like this one. So these are the things that you can just pick and edit from Canva, right? So let me show you. Okay, let me go back to logo design. So here we go to Canva, right? Now you see that we have over 46,000 templates. Now you see minimal designs here. So these are very, very minimalistic designs. Now you can choose like categories here. You see here minimalistic designs, modern design, simple, elegant, minimal. So there are more categories here. You can just view more feminine, illustration, like 4K, luxury. So what you are going to be doing is that you go to canva.com. now see this, just pick a niche or your look category that you want to start making money from. So you can maybe create 1 or 2 gigs here. So you go to Canva, you create your account, right? You set up, then you see I will create like a logo design for you for $10. You can, in the list price is mostly like $10. You can start from. So here, graphic design. So let's just use this here as our case study. So here, this minimal design, right? Minimal logo design. So let's say we pick what we want to do now is the minimal logo design. See, the amazing thing, you can do whatever you want to do now, right? So here, just tap on it. So minimal logo designs. So it has opened. So let's just pick any one here, right? So like this guy now, see, I will design a 3 modern minimal logo design for you for $25. Look at the number of orders that this person has received, over $1K. So if you see 1,000 plus, right, times 25, that is $250,000 that this guy has made doing this simple thing. And the amazing thing is that you can also start by doing this now. So all you just have to do, go to Canva, right, create your order. I told you that there's a video that I left in the description section and it's going to teach you everything you know about setting up like a professional Canva designs that will start converting now, so that you can start making money. See, the truth is that making money online, it's pretty easy, right? And it requires, like, though it requires a little commitment and all that. Okay, look at the number of orders in queue. So this person has over 343 orders in queue that has not delivered, and the basic order here now is $25. Standard order and standard order, let's wait for it to load. Let's just scan up for standard order is 85. So you say you get 10% discount, right? And premium order delivery is within 3 days. So what you are going to be doing now, $155. And the amazing thing is that most people don't go for this basic order, they start from standard to premium order. So you can imagine tons of money. So let's just even assume that it has over 40,000 reviews. Wow, isn't this amazing? So you see 40,000 times, maybe let's even say that it's 20 times. Let's pull out the calculator. So let's say, like, because most people that even do their reviews, that order stuffs, they don't even leave reviews, right? So these are the people that thought where they should leave reviews. See, you have 40,000 to 40,000. Let's just say 40,000. That's 40,200 something. 40,000 times minimum is 25. You see, so he has made over $1 million selling this. Understand? So just imagine if you are not in the United States, you are in other country, you convert it to your your local currency, that's a whole lot of money. Yeah, so you can make, like, the amount that you're going to make from this is limitless, right? So now the goal is that now whatever we are going to be doing now, right, now we are going to model our design from this guy. So instead of, I will create 3 minimal modern I will create instead of writing the same thing, right, I will design 3 modern minimalistic logo design. You can say for $25 you're going to say I will design 4 modern minimalistic logo designs for you. For instead of putting $25, you can put for $20, because now there's something called penetration strategy. So since you are new, you understand, what you want to do is that you just give an enticing offer that your logo cannot, your people that are looking for such services cannot offer, right? So basically in that video, that's what I teach people how to just do, understand, right, how to optimize this and get conversion. So whenever somebody orders for this kind of stuff, you just go to Canva. See, okay, look at this amount, this thing that he's charging $25. Maybe this is like a premium order. Do you know you can get these images? Now what you do is that now with Canva, and another icon I'm going to show you is flat icon. You open this thing here. Let's see if we can recreate this like in seconds with Canva design. So you go to flat icon, right? Now you say Cosmic Universe, so just search for Cosmic. So flat icon, if you want, you can get so you can get images for logos, like free icons here. So Cosmic here, just search for Cosmic. You could, so it's searching, right? Okay, so this Comic Universe, right? So universe and just some stars, so very minimal stuff. Even on Canva you can just do this. So like in Canva, when you go to Canva, right, now you pick on minimal design, just click on, since it's minimal designs that you want, just click on minimalistic designs, right? Now it's going to load it for you. So you see there are a lot of them here. 28K plus. So you just see, anything you want, just edit, right? Isn't this beautiful? So you can be making like over $1,000 like on a monthly basis just doing this, right? With this simple strategy. So when you just, maybe you want to use this, you just tap on it, right? Then you start editing this stuff. So why this one is loading? So okay, let me just go through everything, then I'll just show you. But then I say, now if somebody wants, Canva has a section called Elements, right? So Elements, you can get that comic design. You can just search for Universe. I think we should just recreate that. You can just search for Universe and stars. So here, so this is how to edit stuff, right? You just tap on it, right, on Canva. So here, this is answered. You can just put, hey, riches. So riches. So riches. Right? So here you can just change this, you can remove this, right? So this one has watermark. So if you are not using, you pay maybe $5 to use to remove the watermark. But then like there's a trick that I can show you. I'm going to also leave the link in the description to remove the watermark, right? So have access to this pro version. But then without this, you can also go back here to flat icon to just pick anything. So you see, look at flat icon, look at you see what the design that guy used, right? You see there are even better illustration of universe here on flat icon. You can go, edit the color. So okay, I like this one. You can change the color to whatever you want. So when you want to change the color, right, now you see just over on top of this, you see edit icon, just tap on it, right? But it require you to sign in, because I'm already signed into my account automatically. So here you can change the color to whatever you want, you understand? So you can change the color, understand, or you can leave it to be transparent. You can increase the transparency. So guys, this is an amazing tool. You can use it to do literally everything that you want. So now you go to flat icon, you download the image here, then at the high resolution, then you come and paste it. In your design, or you just use like Canva or True, because there are times like there's a kind of images that you'll be looking for, or icons you'll be looking for a design that you not see on Canva Elements. But I just go to flat icon and get your image, then you come and upload it on Canva. It's as easy as that. So here, let's remove this. So here, so click on Elements, let's type Universe and see if you are going to see something like that. Universe, right? Then hit enter. So here is this Cosmic. You see how amazing this is, right? Now just put it. So you see, so Riches Onaji. So so you can just put Riches Onaji Universe. So to add text, just tap on the text button. So are you? So here you can add here, let's put the comic universe. Comic universe. So you see that this simple thing that this guy did in less than how many seconds, right? And he's collecting $25. So this can also be you, right? Then when you're done, you click on share, understand, to download. So you can share with people as templates, or you get the email address and share to the person, right? Or you just download a PNG, right? So just save the name. So here is Sky Blue this thing, so you can put Comic Universe. Yeah, I'll define name, then click on share and download. So when you just download here, what you just do is that you go back to your Canva and you submit it. You go back to your Canva, you submit the order. It's as simple as that, guys. So you can, now when you say making money online, it's pretty easy. Now what it just take you, what it requires of you is a little commitment, you understand, and just know how to just do the right thing. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, right? So that whenever I make awesome videos like this, you'll be the first to watch and take action that will help improve your financial growth, and also, you know, help you generally in your workspace. So thanks for watching. I remain Riches Onaji. Please don't forget to drop any comments or any reservations or any questions you really want to have, you have whenever as you are trying to do this, right? So that I can just help you, you know, in achieving your financial goal, right? So good luck with, you know, with making money online, guys. So I hope you succeed, and I can't wait to hear the amazing testimony, guys. Cheers.